Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Cow. Because yes, you can draw a cow, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you have something to write on and something to write with, then we are all ready to go, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is on one side of your paper. Notice that my paper is horizontal instead of vertical because a cow is a little bit longer than tall. So we're going to start by drawing just an oval. And this oval can be as big or as small as you want, but this is going to be your cow's face. And right above that oval, I want you to draw a rainbow shape. You see that? Just a little rainbow. You're off to a good start. Now, underneath your rainbow, I want you to draw 2 circles and give them some little eyeballs. And under those 2 eyeballs and in your oval, I want you to draw 2 more little circles. Those are going to be your cow's nostrils so it can breathe. And don't forget, if you've done drawing videos with me before, you know that any time we spend together is a happy time for me. So my cow is going to be a smiling cow. Now you might be saying, Miss Norris, this doesn't look so much like a cow. Well, not yet, but wait, there's more. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make 2 kind of triangle shapes on each side of its head, with just a little tiny triangle on the inside. Those are our ears, but that's not all, because we're going to give our cow some horns, and I'm going to show you how. All you're going to do is make kind of a slightly curved line up, 2 of them, and then you're just going to go straight back down to your head. Straight back down to your head. Now you have a cute cow face with horns and everything. But we're not quite done yet. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to start kind of in the middle of your oval, and you're going to make one big oval that ends right underneath the chin, right here. So you can see we ended right under our chin, and you can make this oval as big or as small as you want. For me, I have a big cow that's going to make me lots of milk, so I want to make sure that I have a big fat cow. If you want your cow to be a smaller cow, make a smaller cow. If you don't want horns, don't make horns. If you don't want your cow smiling, don't make your cow smiling, but I hope you do. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to draw 2 straight lines here in the front and 2 straight lines here in the back. But wait, there's more. Right here by your back leg, I want you to write a capital L. And then on the other side, a backwards capital L. Now, we're almost there, but we got to close up the bottoms of our feet. So just take a little line and go all the way across. And cows have hooves, so we're going to draw another line at the bottom of each of our legs that shows that our cow has hooves. And there's really only one step left, my friends, and that is a tail. You're going to make a long line, and then you're going to come back and you're going to follow along that line. And then at the end, give it some little confetti for its tail. And there you have it, friends. If you want, you can add some spots to your cow. Maybe you want a cow with polka dots. Maybe don't forget one on its face. Or maybe you don't want dots. It is up to you. This is your cow and it's your imagination. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. That was quick and easy. You and I just drew a cow together. How did yours turn out? I hope that you take some time and really experiment and practice with making cows. And if you'd like to check out some other animals, I got some other animal videos too that you might learn how to draw, because there's a lot of animals that anybody can draw. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So, If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber to my channel, thank you so much for your support. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscription bell at the bottom of the page and click the bell for notifications so that someone will let you know when new cool content comes out, and it's all the time. I hope you had fun. I know I did. I'll see you next time. Bye.